What's going on, guys? Liz over here at Pondering Creations Farm. Welcome to my channel and happy Easter. Today isn't Easter, but you guys will be watching this on Easter, although days after that it won't be Easter. So I'm going to show you guys what we did in the garden today. Welcome to the new garden, which technically I don't know if it's the new garden because now it's last year's garden, but we got it planted today and I figured I would take you guys around and show you what we did. So all down along this side I've got spinach and Swiss chard, yellow beets, regular beets, purple kohlrabi, white kohlrabi, endive. Then we've got some crisp mint lettuce and some tennis ball lettuce. Then we've got a thing of radish, some large radish. Then we've got some mesclun, and I did some barleys because we're going to seed save for those along this back area. I did all amaranth. Beans are going to go there, but I did do peas underneath the chair and the table. Then this area is going to be onions, so we're saving it for that. We did some brassicas here, and we decided we are going to get a row cover for this, so that'll be great. This is eventually going to be all carrots, but for right now, there's just carrots down in this part because we're going to give ourselves a little bit of time on those other ones. And I did plant some bok choy here, but only to that pole. And that's how I mark my space, so I know where I am, so that I know I have all this left to plant still. Looking back at it from this direction, you can see we've got our blueberry plants that we're going to leave. We were going to move these to the orchard, but I decided to leave these just to see if we're going to get any this year. Then we've got arugula planted along this way, a couple more blueberries, and then this whole thing around the edge is peas, but I also did in front of the peas a row of cilantro. I'm going to follow this garden line up to here and then kind of come in on an angle and get some more stuff planted in here. Last year I transplanted some of the kales and broccolis and stuff like that out from this, which is what I think I'll do with that area again this year. This I'm just going to let go to seed and collect some of these mustard seeds. This carrot really should get eaten. When carrots overwinter, they go to seed. So I collected a ton of seed a couple years ago, and so I have a ton of carrots. All these bok choys really bolted because it got really hot in here, unseasonably hot, which is fine because I'll seed save from all these too. We tend to eat a lot of bok choy, more than spinach. I don't know why, but I'm so glad I harvested my spinach the other day. It's like a couple of videos ago because look, it's totally bolted. And then these radish and lettuce, we just came in here and picked a ton of this yesterday. And they are so scrumptious right now. So we just need to hurry up and eat this stuff. The main garden got a little bit of a cleanup and some ash sprinkled on it. This garden, I'm going to try to plant some perennial herbs. And I do actually have a row of chives and a row of lavender. But that's going to stop about here because this is going to be all tomatoes this year. Tell us what you really think. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.